When you want to decorate your home, one thing that you should do is find the right color scheme. What kind of color will make your room look amazing, and it will create a relaxing atmosphere in your home. In this video, we are going to share 5 common colors that will suit every mood and make your room look perfect. Number 1. Blush Pink. Blush pink is a very common color that will suit every room. This lighter shade is perfect for a bedroom, and it will make your room look gorgeous. You can also add this color to your living room to make it look more beautiful. Number 2. Chocolate Brown. Chocolate brown is another perfect calming color that you can use in your home. It will make your room look great, and it will create a relaxing atmosphere in your home. Number 3. Lavender. Lavender is a very calming color that you can use in your home to make it look beautiful and very elegant. This color will make your room look amazing. It will also make you feel more comfortable when you are sleeping in that room. Number 4. Classic White. It's a neutral that is soothing, but it also can easily be personalized to fit your style. A classic white comforter will make your room look warm and inviting. Number 5. Soft Yellow. Soft yellow is the most common color that can be found in a room. It has a gentle vibe perfect for bathrooms and other spaces that have a lot of water or natural light coming from the windows. And that's it. What are your thoughts in this video? Let us know in the comment below. Subscribe to our channel for more home improvement, technology, and design tips. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.